Welcome back. The question is, in the balanced condition, the values of resistance of four arms of a weight stone bridge are shown in the given figure. So below figure. So the resistance R3 has temperature coefficient of 0.0004 degree per Celsius. So if the temperature of R3 is increased by 100 degrees Celsius, then the voltage developed between S and T will be dash work. And this is the figure which we have to take the as input. Now R3 is equal to, we get as 300 of 1 plus alpha of del of t. So R3 is equal to 300 of 1 plus 0.0004 into 100, which is R3 is equal to 312 ohms. So from the above figure, we can get as x minus 0 by 312 plus x minus 50 by 60 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 2600 divided by 62, which is 41.93. And same way we can take y minus 50 by 100 plus y minus 0 by 500 equal to 0. We get as y minus 50 plus y by 5 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 250 divided by 6. So y is equal to 41.66. So x will be 41.93 minus 41.66, that is 0.27.